Hi, and welcome to this video on how to write a blog and earn money. Blogging has become a popular way for individuals to share their thoughts, ideas, and knowledge with a global audience while also earning an income. By creating and maintaining a blog, you can build an online presence, attract a large following, and monetize your content through various methods. In this video, I'll be sharing with you step by step how to write a blog and earn money. Here are the key points we'll be covering. 1. Choosing a niche or topic for your blog. 2. Setting up your blog on a platform like WordPress or Blogger. 3. Creating high-quality content for your target audience. 4. Optimizing your blog for search engines. 5. Building a strong following through social media and other platforms. 5. Monetizing your blog through advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and selling products. 7. Engaging with your audience and building a community. 8. Continuously evaluating and improving your blog and monetization strategies. So, let's get started. First, choose a niche or topic that you are knowledgeable and passionate about. This will help you create content that is relevant and valuable to your target audience. Next, set up your blog on a platform like WordPress or Blogger. These platforms make it easy to create a blog, customize its design, and publish your content. When it comes to creating content, focus on producing high-quality, engaging pieces that will keep your audience coming back for more. This can include blog posts, videos, podcasts, and more. To increase your blog's visibility, optimize it for search engines using keywords, meta descriptions, and other strategies. This will help your blog rank higher in search results and attract more visitors. Building a strong following is crucial to earning money from your blog. Promote your blog on social media, participate in online communities related to your niche, and collaborate with other bloggers to reach a wider audience. To monetize your blog, consider using advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and selling digital or physical products. You can also offer premium content or services to your audience for a fee. Engaging with your audience is essential to building a successful blog. Respond to comments, host Q&A sessions, and create a community around your blog to keep your audience interested and engaged. Finally, continuously evaluate and improve your content and monetization strategies to increase your earnings over time. That's it for this video on how to write a blog and earn money. Remember, earning money from your blog takes time, effort, and patience. But with consistent hard work, you can turn your blog into a profitable venture. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos on blogging and earning money online.